for us, Xerox, it's time for showing from your partners the new technology and to be able to get inspired, educated, and networking.
Made to Think is our new advertising platform. We think it showcases a new Xerox.
We're here to discuss the value chain better together.
The great thing about the new Xerox is that everybody is involved in changing the company.
The Xerox Forum is a fantastic event because it really does bring the thought leadership from around the world in the print industry for us. We learn so much from what our customers are able to do and leverage with our technology.
Bringing together designers and printers so that we know about all this latest stuff. I think we've learned so much while we've been here, and I guess the possibilities are now endless.
The great thing about print is craft is critical, and that's what impressed me here.
The techniques, the technology, and bridging that gap is a very important factor now.